first demonstration under the leadership of President Boko was successful. Shout out to the demonstrators. There was a swearing in of new ministers. Now all is set for the party to begin. We wish all the ministers all the best. The State of the Nation address awaits all of us. What is the president going to say? We'll discuss that as well. This and many more will be coming your way today. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. So welcome to Lor TV. If it's the first time coming here, thank you very much for coming, for passing by. If you have subscribed and you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family of Lor TV. And if you are a returning subscriber also, thank you very much for coming. So let's go straight to business. Yesterday there was a demonstration. So people expressed their displeasure yesterday. And we will be talking about what happened yesterday. And the president told us, the day he came to office, said, I'm going to allow people to express their displeasure. If we are working for the people. And if they are not happy about something, we have to allow them to express their displeasure through demonstration, through protest, a peaceful one, of course, not destroying property. As much as they assure the police that we will carry out our protests in peace, they are free to do whatever they want. So yesterday, the police led the people. They came to that understanding, and there was a peaceful protest, and people expressed their displeasure. And what was the protest about? So it was all about a major scandal has erupted at the Citizen Entrepreneurial Development Office. We call it the CEDA, with allegation of embezzlement, corruption, and misappropriation of public funds. The petition led by Setlhomho Raymond has called for immediate action against the agency's leadership. The petition, signed by numerous concerned citizens, outlined a series of serious allegations against CEDA's CEO, Mr. Thabo Thamane, and several board members, including Dr. Alfred Shebo-Eng, Dr. Tirelo Yaone Mampane, Cynthia Sabonejo, and Mr. Tirelo Leshetla. What were the allegations? The first one, financial mismanagement. So accusation of misappropriation of public funds, including the misuse of loan funds and the writing off of bad debts. The first one. The second one, conflict of interest. Claims of board members and the CEO benefiting from CEDA's fund through related businesses and special dispensations. Another one, opaque decision-making. Concerns over the lack of transparency in loan approvals, procurement process, and the appointment of CEDA's ambassador. Another one, lack of accountability. Allegation of a culture of impunity and a failure to address corruption within the agency. So, and the people, they are saying that to facilitate a thorough investigation, the petition demands a suspension of Mr. Thamane and the implicated board members. It also calls for a forensic audit to uncover the extent of financial irregularities and the establishment of an independent oversight body to monitor CEDA's activity. The scandal has sparked widespread public outrage and called for accountability as the investigation falls. So what is happening in the year? So yesterday, the people walked to the Ministry of Trade and Entrepreneurship. They went to the minister and the vice to present their petition. And the minister assured them that, we need 7 days to analyze your petition, call those involved, and then we'll give you a report. So that was what happened. So those of you who were saying, is it that the people don't like the new government? Why are they protesting already? No, that's not the case. The case is that the people were out there protesting based on something that was not right. So they went there to express their displeasure. And following the enabling environment set by the government, the new government, for protest, they decided to go that direction. Peaceful one, led by the police. You can see that the police were leading them as the people were singing, busa, 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 busa. Busamadi. And that's what happened yesterday. So it's not like the people were just shouting at the government. No. They were not pleased with a particular ministry. And they were like, no, do something about this ministry. I think people were pleased, a lot of us. please, especially those who believe in the rule of law, they want people to open up to express your displeasure, not to be entombed, make it difficult to express your displeasure. No. Allow people to be free to demonstrate, because we are in a democratic country. And those who are demonstrating always know that you don't need to break down anything to express your displeasure, okay? Peaceful, led by the police. That is what we want. That is the Botswana people subscribe to, they voted for, and that is what we are seeing. That's how it's supposed to be, because it's also kind of a healing process. Because if you entomb people, you don't want them to talk about what they are going through. They can be sick. They can be sick, okay? Yeah, so just allow people to express their displeasure, and that is what the president said he would do, allow people to express their frustration. That's all. So that's what happened yesterday. Today, the president will be addressing the nation, 2 o'clock Botswana time prompt. President of the Republic of Botswana, Gideon Boko, will be addressing us, the public, as to what is happening in the country, what they have inherited from the previous regime and all of that. So there were preparations yesterday. So it's going to happen 2 o'clock sharp Botswana time at the Parliament chamber, that's where it's going to take place. And let me read what came out yesterday from the presidency. He said, tomorrow marks a historic occasion like today. Occasion as we present our first State of the Nation address, a defining moment to reflect on the legacy of the past regime, evaluate our journey, and reaffirm our unwavering commitment to advancing our nation as a new government. As your new government, we commit to traveling this journey with you and call on every citizen to rise for the future of our country. By embracing our potential and committing to excellence, we can overcome stagnation and achieve growth together. Tomorrow will be more than a State of the Nation. It will be state of renewal for each one of us. See you then. So that is what came out yesterday also from the presidency. And we await the State of the Nation address. What is going to happen? Let us know in the comment section below. Let us know in the comment section below. What do you think the president is going to say today? Comment, and we'll read your comment, and we'll actually recognize you accordingly. Yesterday also, so the president finally finalized everything. So now we have a full squad, ministers ready to work, those appointed, those voted for, all of that. All is set. The president can now work together with his ministers for a new Botswana, for the growth of our country. We wish all the ministers all the best. Now help the president to live up to expectation, go by his words. So we wish you all the best. The results on Friday, the Zebras and Mauritania. Now, how was it? Let us know. Did you go to the game? How was your experience? What happened? Let us know in the comment section. Thank you for coming by. I saw it on the comment section below. The person said, where are you based? Let us know. We are ready to change your studio and all of that. Yeah, you are welcome. If you want to change my studio, you are welcome, okay? The number is there. You can contact me and we can have that conversation. I think that's all I have for you today. After the State of the Nation address, I think we'll come out with another video and we will talk about that, right? Okay, so stay tuned. And so we wish you all the best. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the channel with friends and loved ones. Till we meet again, peace and joy.